Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Hey guys, have you ever been cooking in a kitchen and you need to fill up a pot, say like this pot right here, and you're going to do spaghetti and you have to keep running back and forth and it's really painful? Well, why not put a pot filler in? This one's made by ARCORA and it is extremely nice. I can actually leave this right in the middle, where my heat source is at, never pick it up, articulate this over right where I want it and turn it on. These things are fantastic. They have an emergency shut off over here as well. Now, if you've never used one of these, one thing to keep in mind is make sure that you have this over a pot at all times, or you are absolutely sure that it is shut off. Teenagers can have a habit of maybe not shutting everything off all the way, and you could end up with a small, let me get it here, little drip. And by the time the day is over, you could have a huge disaster. So make sure that it is shut all the way down. I would suggest when you plumb this, going ahead and having its own separate shutoff as well, so that if you have a leak or a problem or an emergency, you can shut it off without shutting off the entire house. The little tips on these have strainers. They can be replaced. This is made to last for a very long time, and it will reach pretty much all the way around anywhere that I need it. I can even hit the far one up here. Let's see if I can get to this one. Yes, I can. So I can hit everything without any problem. So if you're looking for a really good pop filler, I don't think you're going to go wrong with this one. Do yourself a favor. Pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.